Museveni bishagamba chikutura alukore. Kashika twakuku. Mwebaza gamba chi. Echibara agambe n'okutera Museveni akagulu. Simple. Tadimi nebyo simple. Kaina mshango shwa rangwa kazimpana zipi. Kaina mshango takazimpile nwabwine abakambe takazituje. Actually, we are supposed to be 5 cities in the whole of Uganda. But because of politics and some other reasons, you know, others were also created. But among the 5, Mbara city was among. So we are not a city by mistake. It is a city that the government and the president had planned earlier. So I want to thank him for that. 2, I want to thank the president also for loving this city so much. Actually, this city, you said you were here for some days. You must have toured and you have been touring other cities. And in yourself, you know there is a difference between here and other cities. It's not a campaign. No. It's not a campaign. No manya omukazi nabasa kwehagana agira tinka byamere na mushishi. Kunkabarara bakalicho okagirenda tokwehagana. No teko kujirebe. Yes. I'm saying a woman can deny having slept with a man. But a woman cannot deny pregnancy because it will come and people will see, this woman is pregnant. You know, we don't want to know who pregnanted her, but the woman is pregnant. That is a fact. So, here, there is a difference in terms of what the city clerk is. Infrastructure development, health, garbage management, physical planning, to mention but a few. Yes, we are moving. Actually, people say we are not what we are. What actually, if you want to know problems, go to some other areas. You will see. Here we have challenges. Of course, we are not from heaven. We are not from heaven. We are also human beings. But I want to assure you that we are working. How do you measure that? How many people, if I can show you my visitors book and see how many cities come to benchmark here in Mbarara city. We don't invite them, they request action. The latest now is Central KCCA. Company Union, they want to come and benchmark. Can you imagine? I told these people that let us be united. 5 years we shall take over. And the rest of the cities will just be behind us. I have already seen that. I have already seen it. Central Division is requesting to be here on 29th to 2nd. They will be here. Mukono is coming next week. They are here. Guru was here. Arwa was here. Jinja was here. Mbare was here. Fort Potro came. All those cities came. Here. Why? And I'm telling you, can you copy from a fool? Can you copy from a fool? You cannot. Facts must be said openly. No, you cannot. What is that? They are looking at the market. I want to thank the president, actually, so much. I remember one time when he came here, he was actually commissioning these Usmid roads. And I told by then the secretary was my sister, come. But the president has to go and put a foundation stone on the market. Come said no. I said, but I am going to make a lot of noise. And the president will go when they have not even inspected. Because that was his market. And luckily enough, he laid a foundation stone, the market. And that market is #1 in the whole of Uganda. Believe me or not, but that is a fact. Akatale kitu, the fully occupied market, clean, well organized, the plan in the whole of Uganda. Even if you call the commissioner of local government will tell you Mbara is being used as an example in the whole of Uganda. Can't you clap for yourself? You are waiting for those people in Kampala to clap for you. When you are the ones who have done that, the credit goes to you, not me. So we thank the president for that. You have heard the city clerk talk about the 21 kilometers he gave. And they have changed the city in terms of physical planning, people putting up structures, hotels, connection, work, connectivities, and what, all those kinds mentioned. And even Museveni. Actually, as you are monitoring, we concluded with additional financing recently, but we are requesting the government that funding should not stop. That one shouldn't stop. It has also given us credit as NRM. It shouldn't stop. Because where would we be if this Museveni didn't come? Where would we be? Tukabire tulinkai. Na nebina bya Bakuta, na nebina bya Makansingi, na nebina bya Brema Road, na nebina emukumanya hatu tukabire tulinkai. Naba hakina kamwe kazara ntare Kakyebezi kamwe ordino wakatete Bridge Kakyebezi. Where would we be now? And when they are talking about Kakyebezi, they are talking about NRM. Yes, because I implement the manifesto. When you are shouting about me, you are shouting against yourselves. Yes, that is the truth. Because Kakyebezi cannot use his own money. He uses the money NRM government brings in. When it has not brought, we become also patient. Katete Bridge, how much have we received? 165. 166. Tunjireho sentence on first quarter million igana kaga ni tano. Tunjire magana atano as people say. No. So omunaka and we are going also to get million zinga ikonga UPDF. Of course, they are finalizing. They are coming to work on the bridge. That one also he will give us. I think you must have also heard about it. It has been so. Mwena televishaka ambachukutura alukore kashika tuwakuku mwena wazanga ambachi echwara agambe nokutera Museveni akagulu. Simple. Tata mine byo simple. Taina mshango shwa urangwa kazimpana zipi. Taina mshango. Taka zimpile Nwabine abakambe taka zitunji. Omo wanine mwakomaho. Museveni taina mshakatiwe. I have liked your talk, Madam RCC, that the person in power olikuwa mu office mwalikuwa mukama wa mukama atetawo ndisho kumenya president Museveni kandi byari kumpereza nibyo mukwenzi yataka bipiri ni batabyi mwena ati ni woichize ngumeya wawe tarondisho warwaro usheruninga keji smoro pon arne hejani Imagine Makajara kwa tarstemea wota kwasile wonufu hakani. So when that is that, then so I thank you for my tip, because that has helped the other small people, the short people. He has always talked about to come and add on their income. They are working.
Nono ndakananda yone kwatagana bya masimu kankwanjure aba M&S Royal Electronics Limited abakushanga Katete Kampala omurembo rwambara wachikamira transformer okatorogwa za bichi bina masimu ga buri chika mobile money service mobile money agent lines sim card registration pacoleters ufazi chargers flash nebindi binji okumanya bikushiraho batera rutumishaje noti 2 ananina atana mukaga chinana ni 2 nanga notumishaje 88 ashatu na mwenda nkaga na 8 chenda M&S Royal Electronics Limited turuhabwawe
Deni eze sente za road fund lego kunichama no tiwe yemere Mukamanje no wa arneya ONC n'umuntu mukuru owawe hakarakiri yo guto Rukari warakire mbere rukazayo He has never seen a grader in his area. President gave us money and we gave you road. Whether it has never existed. Premier. Gorasat. Akwazere yuwango yanga kachele zungumu tu yanga kachele zilika kwanga ekora ya meya. Yes. Two. There is another. Do we have someone from Ogunahamani? Orukurga, Charwagan. Anybody from that area? Town agent wa Charwagan no. Wakapoma no. Rukabara warajire ukora rebere kurenganira bari yakurga utakashuma kuza Charwagan. Abantu bale bashamara kurenganira bari President Museveni. Yes! President Museveni. Who? Ahari kurame bitugwa hanze. Ahari kurame omuntu mwaye. We are not seated. Senior presidential advisor. As human beings, we also have challenges, especially in health sector. Recently, me, her, and I think him, yes, and you, we were visited by Deputy Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda in the referral. And when we reached in the referral is overcongested. People come from, because this is a regional city, by the way, it's not a small city like these cities you see. A regional city where people come from DRC for business and even for health services. People come from Rwanda, Burundi for business and also for health services, and Tanzania. So all those people are here, down here. They consume, even compete with the essential drugs which are meant for our people here now. Omuntu rwiro camping aba kaya Rwanda na ndakaba ariyaho kanse mu kubi, and we requested that it becomes a national referral hospital. A national referral hospital, at least to accommodate that very huge population that it serves. I also requested that ours here, which is a municipal health center for, be upgraded to a city hospital. Itawa jaba health sebara mwimeretwe. Abariko go health department. Kirchi amerwense ko funi amerwense ikoleti situation. But I want health minister. I want to thank my team. They are doing well. Now when I wish you could also move around and hear what these people are doing here. health center for people. Actually, people even think, I don't know, but this health center for is doing well. Very well. They are doing well. They are doing well. I want to thank the president again. They have also given us money to upgrade, to have another health center for. Now, we have Nyakayo Health Center 3 that has been upgraded into Health Center 4. And the UPDF is the one that is doing the construction. Actually, we have a lot of faith and they are doing very good work for us. That's why we say they should be the ones to come and repair the bridge. Because us here, they know people are putting you on pressure. Can that one also be possible? We said no. We have already known where the medicine is. In UPDF, it's where we have faith. And we are going to do it at a fairly small amount. At least we shall have a surplus to do something else. You know, mani tuetorba Yesu na nyemi dukushobya ni bishobya ndi umuntu ngoko kushobya iwe dokushobya nyoni cyo gukundira abantu aba kutwa tujye mu church eshari mutugambire gushaba mutwe ukwegamba kandi mu Kristo we nayemerera yetera ajati ndiyo musisi buzuma oreba na archbishop ni bani na rapate na yetera lero cyo yaoreba umukristo mazire mwe rwenda kwenda kwetera ku wayo twara mu rwari kugataka abagana ori archbishop na yetera eri wo ngwe utur musisi who are you umchacho ku Uganda for us nutugera ngukutugera mu kitwine bibi tubantu ebiha kandi omurito tubatire mazima go akarunji kabakatarumu tutugera mu twine ebitu byine kokareka kwebe iwe cyawo kachitabo kazakore cyana nyonda ni jene dini yanje ndio mchacho ku Uganda yokushabira abantu shabira bine bike bibye mutumefire umuzina lya tatito na iyo mana ngo bacire
Abanyambara omweshongozi wetu wenkowa reggae music Disan Kato the reggae boy yatuletera the best of Disan Kato and ongera the Temesembara ebirabine bitandukanye kwikumi mwakongo muri Agip Motel isene sagatirwa beshongozi babone baburengero isoba nkajuriya simuhozi Geoffrey Bingana nankunda Nora Lilian Nabasa Kati Mukiza Besemire Jolly Soki Joram by Face Peterson M.A. Ameria n'abandi benshi endongone zakutandika shamuna nasihawe mpoko mukiro abana bakutirigiye tanyoma Disan Katari kutwasongola live okutama abana nibaza kusosura ku mitano abakuru mutwaro tebe y'abantu batano amitwaro 50 ebi byona bitebekanisibwe DBC Bridal Center abakugucira mukunda mikoro kandi byashagikwa Nimi Saloon Equity Bank Aquafina Mukamani wamanya Investments Embogo Extra Bank of Africa Havana Restaurant New Palm Hotel Favored Evangelistic Ministries International Kashari Farm Resort Kanuzire Pork Joy National Water Allen Interior Golden Rule Ministries International Hamwena GNT Booking a ticket yawe hati uri kurabira simu ya 0 atanamwenda 28 atanamuna utaterwe nongera gambise biteta
Mawina amazina ganje nibanyetani warinda Emire ni nyambaho disi wa Rwampara kandi Rwampara ikatanike 2019 kunkeri zoba haro okureba kwenda kureba government obuhereza ebwikizeto mu bantu ningashe kitukubasa kweta service delivery haza itwenka administration ningashe tabo kwebembera omu bintu ebyabakozi ba government tubaze kureba nko omu department ya health ningashe byamagara government ntugiye baza munonga abo kubeti ya mbere kuhindura health centers kuziha arurengo rwa hasi ekaruteka arurengo rwa higuru echo kureberaho ninga Nyabukungu health center. Nyabukungu health center ke health center ya kabiri konka hati government ekagiteka musente yagitungura yagiteka health center ya kashatu asake kuberga health center ya kashatu eyamba gukora ebintu health center ya kabiri ebyeta kubasa gukora yatkorra na Nyaruhandagazi na yakagiya health center ya kabiri yagiteka ya kashatu kandi yegakaya obwa hati etkorire kibare ekiryo nejombeka negitereza konkito nutsima as a district. Kongo mu health challenge turebere ngo abashahono bace abo kuba government ekiyaho oku recruiting ninga sho kureta mu abakozi konga mwe ntushaba government iki kintu kirebemu kandi ntumanya ngo neje kukireba mwecho ekindi ngo mu education ninga shi ombyamashomero nayo ntugisima iterwa mpara tubetine government amashomero agakwebwaho government ninga shi government aided schools nshanju nibiri konka hati etongerireho seed schools ibiri za totoringa pukwisia seed amashomero agakwingana nshanjunana so ito government tugisima tutine mheru konka education nayo ntireba ngutina abashomesa bace kandi cyo nkireto kushanga ngo esente zo mushara ningi so tukabasa kureta abashomesa basya muteka kosa abashomesa abatwiremu ningasha abo kuba barigiremu tukaba replacing so ntujebaza mnonga ahabwa ibyo seed schools ibire zindi ezetongire ekindi ninka ebyenguto nayo government tugisima ite kuyarwa mpara netanike 2019 tutwire ntutiza ebyome ebikore nguto tutiza mbara tutiza ntungamo tutiza hano ma districts agandi konka government tugisima abo kuba hati etire machines zibiri ningashi ebimotoka bibiri ebikutiyamba kukore nguto nangwa haze nguto tuzikozire ahabwo buyambe bwa government konka ntishabaye baba takufayo batongere byoma nito tubase gukora je nguto abantu bashime babone kutwara je bintu byabo omukubuguza abana bazayishomero batakafuna accidents na nabakazi bana bazanko mu marwaro kuzara batakabonabona so ntuje baza mnonga ekindi government egarikire ekagarika yatereza sente eketire netereza sente yatereza za wepe z'abakazi yatereza zemnyeto yatereza ezabakuzire kongo bwa hati egarikire yatongereramo binjeze mu kumanya nka PDM eteriza sente nyingi mnonga nka Rwampara district kandi nimpamya ngo buryo mwa ashemerirwe ahari kongeze sente zikaba zigeza abantu aboro konka bo kugezaho kweyombeka so abagig tubafunirizo sente konka ntusima government mnonga kandi ntushaba ngwegumizemu netongera sente ezo kandi ntugisima na no kutekateka ahabakuzire abatachibasa kwekozesa ekagumane bahereza kakasimu ntugisima tutine bugarikiro konka omuryebyo byone itwenga Rwampara tufunire challenges ningashi turebire bintebe tutegenise echo kubaza cyabyo nabakozi twina abakozi bace ahabo kugira ngo government ekiyaho oku recruiting ningasho okureta mu abakozi abandi echa kabiri entase yitunga Rwampara ninji mwen twakwandishaba government kiyakubasane kuyakukitekatekaho etongera sente nito tubasa kuba ebo kuzoko mbyaro tukareba ibintu nibukorwa tukazo mu marwaro tukareba mbazeriyo tukazabura hamwe ningashi tukakore kiba kweta monitoring tukaguma ntuzayo burikiri na hati ntuzayo konga tukuzayo ngo kutwakubiye tushemeye kuba ntuzayo mwenu ntsima tine bugarikiro kandi omu department yiba kweta production ninga obuhinji n'obuhinzi government etwire netiyamba nambwe nitenka Rwampara ekaterezaho ensigo z'omwanya yaterezaho ezamuhogo yateriza ebintu byingi yatereza ebirisa ninga fertilizers twateko mbahinji kandi bakora kandi tiyakomaho yatureterana na ekiba kweta micro scale irrigation ningashi okufuyirira amizago netekaho percentage erikwingana iyo muntu no yeteraho percentage 5 then ezindi zitekwaho government so ntugisima mnonga tukugira ngo n'ekya buri district konkite katukunda nka Rwampara yabituhereza mbwenu ntubasima tutine bugarukira
abantu banyetaye bazwe Robert Baziriza mukuru w'entebe ya kashatu ahwegomborra ya Rugando mu Rwampara district ibizibu ebe kutushasha munonga tuyine amarwaro government ni nsima eka kuza amarwaro kurga health center 2 yagakora health center 3 kandi irwaro rimwe rya Nyabukungu ryo omugomborra yanje bakombe kabaheza konka ikizibu tukatungire bakozi tukatungire bazi irwaro rya marumwaka ryaho konka kuna nimbuzo mu rukiko banjara ngo abakozi ba government sente zabo tuzikarebekere ekiba kutekateka ngo mu financial year ningo mwaka go bye sentogu naza kurebeka icyakabiri kikutushasha nenguto zitu zo mbyaro government ekacendeza ekitweta ngo road fund narishe sente zikurga central government kuja kureberera enguto ezo mbyaro magomborra hati nyowenka Rugando sabukawunte nyine enguto zinkureberera enguto 11 konka ekizibe kiruho nintunga million 8 mu financial year ezitakwasa kureberera na ruguto rumo so nali nkora appeal to the government nabakora amateka barebeke ngu esente z'amagomborra bazongeza ahabo kuba amagomborra geyine imihanda minje munonga ko imihanda nesisikara tuguma tujireba tuti kandi wareba landscape yitu yo mu Rwampara enguto zitu ziriyo mu myanya y'enshozi ahize kutemwa umutunga munonga so financial year neho uruguto rubi ukura kwatendijo uruguto rubi muguma numureba uko ataro sente zo kurukora.